pandemic has seen many changes over the last 14 months. Do you have any advice of what our members should be looking at now when they are renewing their policies?
Sure, yeah, well there's a lot of change in the last year or so. I think one of the things that we can mention now at this stage is the fact that a material fact. It's vitally important for manufacturers, engineers, to let their broker know if something has changed within the year itself. So to give you an example of that, you may have a company that manufactures furniture, but in the last year they decided to manufacture something for the NHS in any particular way. So it's a material fact for them to let their insurer know that. They must inform their insurance broker, who then needs to inform the insurer at that stage. So if that didn't happen, then they wouldn't be adequately covered, and they wouldn't be covered in the right side of things. So that's vitally important. I think just delving into a couple of other things, just so that for members to know, is that anyone that's got maybe fleet insurance, that vehicles over the last year may have been laid up. We contacted all our clients to let them know about this, which most insurers would be giving rebates back on that, because at the end of the day the vehicles aren't on the road. So those vehicles, instead of being covered for comprehensive, would be laid up. Also going forward, some companies will have done well in the last 12 months in comparison, and some will have done not so well. So with regards to your turnover and wages, that will have changed within the last year, whether that be going forward or on the declaration basis as well, that you would have had for the past year as well. So there may be a case whereby certain clients may be getting return premiums, and certain clients may be looking at additional premiums going forward. So it's important to liaise with your broker, to keep in touch with themselves, to keep in touch with them on a regular basis, as we would with our clients. We would be talking to our clients on a regular basis, but also seeing them maybe 3 or 4 times a year to discuss what actually is going on in the current marketplace.